when the Justice Sector Coordinating Council was created and first organized in April of 2010, I was into my second year in the Supreme Court, having been appointed in January 2009. So, I was already with the court when it decided to move towards this particular institutional and policy direction for the judiciary, which was the adoption of a sectoral perspective insofar as the administration of justice was concerned. This was both a novel and maybe somewhat revolutionary move for institutions such as the third branch of government to reach out and begin to work hand in hand with the other pillars of justice right at the senior management or policy level. We were fully aware and have come to have a distinct appreciation of the concept of interdependence among the courts, the prosecution service, public attorneys, the law enforcement, and corrections pillars. The full court, or court en banc, as led by the Chief Justice, determines and leads in how our court mandates are supposed to be enhanced and improved. I was privileged to have led and contributed towards enhancing the adjudication process, especially in our trial courts, which are the front line of the judiciary. The revised guidelines for continuous trial of criminal cases have been designed to expedite the adjudication and subsequent disposal of cases, and I dare say that our accomplishments so far were realized with the cooperation and support of the rest of the justice sector. As a former trial judge and prosecutor myself, I am able to see the value and importance of your involvement from these perspectives. The revised guidelines were produced after mass consultation and collaboration with the other justice pillars, which have provided us with a wide range of experiences that are full of and rich in insights, new appreciation, and new sets of beliefs and principles that lead us in our continuing work. learn new ways to do things and find ways of coming at a resolution or raise of remedies. Most valuable was that of adopting the mindset that we cannot do without the others. Working and deciding in silos or in isolation simply does not work anymore. Our sectoral goals and achievements speak for our work. There has to be strategic and critical convergence of these pillars and agencies, while we are always mindful of the institutional integrity of each pillar, particularly of the judiciary.
With a hearty greeting, I send my warmest congratulations to all the brilliant men and women of the Justice Sector Coordinating Council. Thank you for your continual perseverance to make the Philippines more adept in delivering swift, fair, and efficient justice. With 10 fruitful years down the line, the JSCC has steadfastly worked towards reforming an inefficient system, taking advantage of digital technology to create the Ease of Pena system, synchronize the justice system calendar, use video conferencing for remote appearance of PDLs in Davao City, and establish a national information justice system in the country. In partnership with the European Union, the JSCC has rolled out a gorgeous program, an achievement of which was the launching of 6 justice zones nationwide, proof that LGUs are making significant milestones in unclogging court dockets, fast-tracking legal proceedings, and congesting detention and jail facilities. The JSCC has also produced a detailed index of crime in the Philippines, which has helped the legal structure classify crimes as judges and legal professionals honor the law of the land. Sa lahat ng mga tagumpay na ito, binabati ko ang JSCC na way maramdaman ng mga tao ang pagmamalasakit ng gobyerno sa ating mga hakbang. And may these undertakings draw the Filipino people nearer to the government as we, as one nation, strengthen the land's justice system. Sabay-sabay nating isulong ang bayanihan para sa katarungan. May the JSCC strive to lead the Filipino people into a new era of unity, peace, and development. After all, the greatest measure of free, peaceful, and democratic country is when swift and fair justice is served rightly and without delays. So, happy 10th anniversary to the JSCC. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Happy 10th anniversary, JSCC. Greetings from the DOJ. The ties that bind us will remain strong even in the time of the coronavirus. See you soon.
I look forward to my own experience in leading and contributing to the JSCC, having also come from the trial and appellate courts and prosecution service. I am quite confident and hopeful of being able to do so. We continue to pursue these game changers for the justice sector interagency joint capacity building activities, letting technology work for us, such as maximizing our use of video conferencing technology and further going down to the local levels with more justice zones to engage all levels of justice sector and the community as well. We look forward to the next decade with much hope, faith, and perseverance for the pursuit of accessible, efficient, and responsive justice services for the rule of law. Thank you.